I think it is driven mostly by President Trump's impulse towards authoritarianism. It's all complete nonsense. From start to finish, it's nonsense. It's absurd. It will never happen. As for these executive orders, this flurry of executive orders, they've created chaos, confusion, dismay. Most of them are plainly unconstitutional, beyond the powers of the executive. This first 2 weeks has truly been a blizzard of absurdity. What I find bone-chillingly dangerous is the notion of reopening Guantanamo Bay as a kind of gulag, ostensibly for the housing of deported migrants. But why not, ultimately, as a place to send political adversaries? But the notion of having Palestinians evacuated to Jordan or Egypt or wherever is obviously an open invitation to the Israelis simply to say, well, look, we're going to annex Gaza. Well, there's some question in my mind as to whether the planet Earth or the human occupants of planet Earth are yet going to be around 4 years from now. I'm not joking about this. I think that the possibility of Armageddon in a nuclear sense has risen considerably over the past couple of weeks.